What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I only have one goal tonight. Just got home from work. One goal, and that is to get that truck into this driveway, which doesn't sound that hard. For those of you who don't know, it's not, but it's been broke down again. So what we need to do to get it into the driveway is put this guy on. This bad boy is a 5-inch aluminum one-piece drive shaft. Now, the fun things about this drive shaft, it is 5-inch in, not like the factory drive shaft, which had a swell in it, and here was neck down about 4.5 outside. The tube is 125 wall aluminum tube, 5-inch tube. Whereas the factory one was probably about 70-80 thousandths. So this is a lot thicker. We have really nice, really beefy Sonics ends with 1485 U-joints. I had to get a new flange down here, and I have the factory yoke up there. This truck, being a manual 3500, had 1485s from the factory. So to catch up on why we're doing this, we went down to Diesel Fest 2 weeks ago, maybe 3, and had a little bit of fun. Big group of us went, and what happened to me was kind of funny but not funny. So what happened to me was some textbook irony. We went down there, we met up with a group Saturday morning. We decided to convoy down to Diesel Fest, which is in Medford, about 3 hours, let's say 4 hours, and it was great. Met a lot of cool people. There was a lot of cool trucks. We had a good time. So we're down there enjoying ourselves, not doing anything foolish or irresponsible and all that fun stuff, right? Well, there was a... It's perfect, damn. There was a mishap on the track where they had to do a little bit of cleanup. About 4:30-ish. We decided, while we're doing that, or while they are cleaning up, let's run down to Carl's Jr. and get a hamburger, get something to eat. Because, well, we've been out in the sun all day, we're hungry, it's hot, like, we're done. I want a break. I want to go get something to eat. I want to come back, finish the night off. Well, we do. So we go find a Carl's Jr. It's like 4 miles away. Enjoy our hamburger. And on the way back, and this is no bullshit, on the way back, about, I want to say less than 100 yards from the drag strip entrance, there's a long straight stretch between the highway and the gate on the drag strip. So I was in third gear, and I had a bunch of friends with me, and we're all loaded up. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I pulled on it a little bit in third gear, not much, a little bit. Once the boost started to build, this factory drive shaft decided to shit the bed. And I will show you, I'll put a picture of it right now, right here. So it decided that it was time to go 4 hours from home before we got to do anything cool. Now, I wasn't going down there to race the truck or do anything like that. I wanted to put this truck on the dyno to see what the transmission and lift pump might have netted us as far as freeing power up, because the truck feels a lot better than it did the last time I dynoed it, which was right at 5 1/4. I put 5 1/4 of the wheels, so it feels a lot better than it did then. So I really
I really wanted to get it on the dyno. That's all I wanted to do. That and enjoy the weekend with my friends. Well, I didn't get to do that. So fast forward a little bit. Grenade drive shaft. You know, it's really cool to get down to a place like that and realize that you do have a lot of friends down there. Really good people. You know, everybody was trying to help me out. We were all trying to bust out and try to find a drive shaft down there, a used one. To find a one-piece aluminum factory drive shaft for this truck is an absolute nightmare. I called a few places. You know, we all kind of called people, and if you know, either was a no, we don't have one, or a couple times I got, those trucks never had factory aluminum drive shafts, which is not true, because mine, this one, Don's Mega Cab, which you saw we basically put together in the driveway, and another buddy, which you haven't seen yet, we all have the same truck. Basically, it's a manual. Don's is a 2500, I will say that, but they're manual 6, 7, third gens, late thirds, and we all have factory aluminum drive shafts. So I kind of, you know, anyway, I didn't want to hear that from anybody. So couldn't find a drive shaft. Decided it was in our best interest just to haul the truck home. I wasn't gonna leave it down there and, you know, deal with trying to get it back or trying to get a drive shaft down there, you know, all that fun stuff. So we hauled it home, and it's been sitting right here in the road in front of the house for, shoot, that was June 5th and 6th, and today's date, what is today? Well, it's late June. I don't know what day it is, but anyway, late June. No fault of the driveline shop, no fault of anybody's. Just trying to get stuff right now is horrible. I'm sure you guys have seen it, felt it, ran into it. Don't break anything, because getting parts, whew boy, it's a nightmare. So, long story short, the guys at Eugene Driveline built a beast of a driveline for me. This thing is going to be sick. Like I said in the beginning, 125 wall aluminum tube, nice heavy Sonics ends. That is the key right there on both ends. It's balanced, it's beautiful, it's ready to rock and roll. So hopefully nothing happened in the transfer case when it let go. That's my fear right now, because I want to get this thing out of the street. I want to drive it again. One thing it did do, nice old dent in the exhaust right here, down there, and I need to get a gourd or something on this tank, because it hit right there, but it's not leaking. Okay, that's not a leak, that's grease. It's greasy. I've already picked this thing apart. So in theory, with the drive shaft back in, we can get it back on the driveway. I need to get it up in the driveway. I need to check the transfer case, make sure it's not full. I can tell you that right now. It's not full. Excuse me, man. It's not full. But I just need to know how much it needs. So let's see if this works out. I'm not going to bother you guys with checking the oil in the transfer case. I'm going to see how much you need, get it going. I'm excited to drive this thing again. I might even drive it tomorrow if I have enough oil. But, you know, I want to thank you guys for watching these videos, keeping along, subscribing, liking the videos, all that stuff.
I really appreciate all of it. I really do. It means a lot to me. It shows me that maybe you guys are enjoying what I'm doing. Maybe you're not, But I do thoroughly enjoy your guys' interaction and the support you guys have given me. Just showing me, in numbers, subscribing and all that stuff. That it's not for nothing. There's some pretty cool stuff. I'm really excited about some upcoming opportunities, some upcoming stuff we have. It's not ending. It's never ending anymore, and I don't mind. I like it. I like it that way. So I'm gonna leave you guys there. Get this thing checked out so I might be able to drive it tomorrow. And if anything else breaks, I'll let you know. So hopefully we get another good week out of this thing. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.